Papua New Guinea is now heading toward a major legal showdown. Opposition leader James Nomane has confirmed he will challenge the controversial Vagrancy Act in the Supreme Court, raising serious constitutional concerns. The law, recently passed by Parliament with an overwhelming majority vote of 80-1, gives authorities the power to declare individuals as vagrants if they are not considered fit to remain in urban areas.
Now, when you look at that very vague and broad definition of what a vagrant is, it covers the bulk of Papua New Guineans. Whether you're here, whether you're in the highlands, whether you're in whatever region, moving around. We're not gainfully employed. We're not all registered with the Internal Revenue Commission. And all of us don't have a permanent house that has title to it. So this is a fact.
Under the Act, police can arrest offenders, and courts may issue exclusion orders, forcing individuals to return to their home districts if they are linked to repeated criminal activity or public disorder.
More proactive about looking at the root cause analysis. Why are these people here? Why have they left their home provinces and hometowns to come into the city? To look for opportunity, to look for jobs, to look for better healthcare and education and services. Because they've been displaced from their land because of law and order issues, tribal conflicts, social-related killings. And now you have millions. It's not 10 or 20 or hundreds or 1,000. We have millions of people throughout the country that have left their place of origin to go to another place seeking opportunity, seeking peace.
The national government leaders have defended the law, saying it targets repeat offenders involved in violence, alcohol-related crime, and social disruption in towns and cities. But James Nomane is pushing back hard. Speaking in Port Moresby, he described the law as legally and morally flawed, arguing that it strikes at the very core of Papua New Guinea's constitutional principles.
We will challenge the Vagrancy Act after Easter. That's our undertaking to the country, that we will go to the Supreme Court and we will challenge this law because as far as we're concerned, it's unconstitutional.
He warned that the act could divide citizens and undermine national unity, raising fears that Papua New Guineans could be treated as outsiders within their own country. Nomane also stressed that the Constitution is the supreme law and any legislation that weakens fundamental rights must be challenged and tested in court. Importantly, he was the only member of Parliament to vote against the bill when it was passed, standing alone in opposition. All eyes turned to the Supreme Court. The outcome of this legal challenge could determine whether the Vagrancy Act stands or is struck down entirely. This is more than just a legal battle. It's a defining moment for law, rights, and national unity in Papua New Guinea. Stay with Pulse of PNG as this story develops.